Judge Jed Rakoff gave a detailed interpretation of the Howey test that was at odds with the decision on the SEC case against Ripple. United States Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit against Terraform Labs is set to go ahead after a U.S. judge overseeing the case denied the firm's motion to dismiss on July 31st. In handing down the order, the judge also rejected a decision from another judge who ruled that Ripple did not violate securities laws based on their manner of sale. The SEC filed a suit against Terraform Labs and its founder, Do Kwon, on February 16th, alleging it was once orchestrating a multi-billion-dollar crypto asset securities fraud. In April, Terraform Labs legal representatives filed a motion for the dismissal of the suit with supplemental materials for the motion provided in June. In rejecting the defendant's motion to dismiss, Judge Jed Rakoff of the Southern District Court of New York found that in his previous dismissal motion, Terraform Labs representatives argued that the SEC lacks jurisdiction over both the company and its founder. It also pushed back against the agency's position that tokens, including Mirror Protocol, Terra Classic, and Terra USD Classic, are securities. It also argued, in light of the Supreme Court ruling on the major questions doctrine, Congress is not only engaging in robust debate over how crypto should be regulated, it is asking the SEC to wait for Congress to act. It went on to cite a procedural issue in the agency's suit against Coinbase and its newly divulged emails concerning former SEC Director William Hinman that figured in the agency's suit against Ripple Labs. And however, Judge Jed Rakoff of the Southern District Court of New York wrote that it would ignore reality to place the cryptocurrency industry and the American energy and tobacco, many industries, implying that the major questions doctrine may not apply to the case, and thus dismissing that objection. The procedural questions were also dismissed, and not the weird way.
Already in trouble, SDNY District Judge Jed Rakoff today allowed the SEC to go forward with its case against Terraform Labs and founder Do Kwon. In doing so, Judge Rakoff specifically rejected the distinction made in the Ripple case between public aspects of the actions.
The judge devoted several pages to an analysis of the Howey test, which was at the heart of the Hinman discussion. No formal contract is necessary to meet the second test. And tokens themselves may be considered tokens and arguments before the court, Rakoff wrote. The court also declined to draw a distinction between these coins based on their manner of sale. And in that favor, in fact, something like that said in 1719, based on their manner of sale. And that approach that XRP was commodity was sold on the secondary market was a partial win for Ripple. And its rejection here could bode well for SEC if other judges follow Rakoff's example.